Hi, today we are going to learn radical numbers and rational exponents. So fourth roots or cube roots and fifth roots, sixth roots and square roots, those stuff, when they ask fourth root of 81, that means opposite of the power, which means this is like when you multiply, fourth root means multiply 4 times a number become 81. What is that number? So that one we write it square root sign, and then we call it, this is number index. On top left we're gonna write it for fourth root, write it like the cube root, you write it like that. Okay, and then 81 there, and then but even roots all the time, because 81 you multiply 3, actually multiply 4 times, that become 81, right? But negative 3 also, negative 3 multiply 4 times, any negative number multiply even time, that become positive. So all the time even root you have plus minus. So actually this is because 3 multiply 4 times, that's 81, you know that's right, plus that's become plus minus 3. So plus 3 multiply 4 times, that's 81, minus 3 also multiply 4 times, that will be positive 81. But negative even roots is plus minus all the time, but odd root only negative become negative, positive and positive, and then so only we write it cube root like that, negative 125. So negative 5 you multiply 3 times become negative 125. So that's negative 5 is answer. So this positive 125, then this positive 5, because 5 multiplied 3 times, positive 125. Negative 5 you multiply 3 times, negative 125. But 6 root you can write it, and then plus even roots, so plus minus, minus 64. But when you multiply 6 times, any negative number become positive. So this is a no solution. That's inside of even roots, negative number, not possible. So no solution here. Okay? So with that, let's practice this. Now this is a cube roots 27x to the 6th power. So this cube root, if you change the exponents, so that one you can write it at 1/3 power. So cube root 1/3 power, and fourth root right there, that's 1/4 power. Okay, and then you can write it 27 here, 27 3 to the 3rd power, and x to the 6th power. When this multiplication, this exponent can distribute it, so that means 3 to the 3rd power, 1/3 power. X to the 6th power, 1/3 power. This becomes 3 to the 3 over 3 power, which is a 3 to the 1 power. And then this is a 3x, 6 over 3 power, which is 2. So final answer is 3, and x to the 2nd power, that's the answer. So one challenging is like this. So when there's fraction there, we can divide it cube roots. That's a cube root, x to the 3rd power, and cube root 7. This cube root's 1/3 power, that cancels out all the time. This power and cube roots can cancel out. So top is x. But here 3 to the cube root 7. So all the time cube root cancels out only when there's a cube. So 3 power. So this is just 1 power. So we need to multiply 2 power of this, right? Then cancels out. But this is like you can divide it cube roots 7 to the 2nd power. So I need to multiply same thing on the numerator too, right? 7 to the 2nd power. Now this 7 to 1 power times 7 to 2 power, which is 1, 2, 3. So that means this become 3. Cube roots 7 to the 3rd power. And then x 3, 7 to the 2nd power. This is cancels out. So denominator is 7. But numerator, so x, and this is a cube roots 7 to the 2nd power 49. Answer is like this. Just one more. So here, fourth roots, a to the sixth power, and denominator 4, fourth roots 4. When you do that, anything here power 6, that means a to the sixth power means fourth root there, right? Then anything fourth power can go out. So a to the fourth power, a to the second power. I can change it to the sixth power like that because this can go out as a, and then that one cannot go out. So a fourth roots and second power. And denominator 4, this is a 2 to the second power. 4 is 2 to the second power. So this fourth roots all the time, you should have fourth power to go out. So because denominator they don't allow any radical irrational number. So we call it rationalization of the denominator. So we get rid of denominator square root and things like that. Fourth root, any radical number. So fourth roots, then we need to make it like a fourth power. So to do that, we multiply 2 to the second power one more time, then 2 to the fourth power. So we multiply same thing on the numerator 2 to the second power. So denominator now what? Fourth roots, 2 to the fourth power cancels out, denominator is 2. So denominator is 2. And numerator, so this is a, and this is a same thing, right? So you can do fourth roots 4 a to the second power. You can do it.